Welcome to AutoBank and RV Sales in Greenville, South Carolina. Showing you a 2015 Fleetwood Discovery 40E. Really nice colors on this unit. Three colors of gray and a white. The tires are 2021s. All our units come with new batteries, house and chassis. This is a full wall slide unit, which is a bath and a half. Very well light coach, floor plan. Everyone kind of likes the layout on how it has an open floor plan with a bath and a half. It does have a 380 Cummins engine, 10,000 pound Reese hitch, 10-gallon hot water heater, outside entertainment, pass-through storage with the slide trays. If you like, we'll go inside and take a look at it. Welcome back to AutoBank and RV Sales and Service in Greenville, South Carolina. We're looking at a 2015 Fleetwood Discovery 40E. If you can tell, we got the overhead entertainment. These seats will turn around for give you extra living or extra seating in the living area. 2 extra chairs for the pull-out table, flat screen TV, hide-to-bed couch. This couch does open up to give you an L-shaped couch. A lot of storage space on the counters for this thing. Convection oven. This one does come with a stovetop and dishwasher. This is your half bath, so when you have company over, they can have their own individual bathroom. If you'll come back to the back of the unit, king size bed. A lot of storage in this unit. You do have a stackable washer and dryer. A lot of closet space. His and hers, if you want to call it that. Another flat screen TV. And if you walk into the second full bath, you have a large shower with a sit-down area. You also have a large closet area for hanging clothes. Toilet, good vanity, a lot of storage up top and bottom. That concludes the showing of the 2015 Fleetwood Discovery 40E.